So, it has a lot of medicinal properties. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. On my channel, my name is Joy Kali. If today is the first time I'm seeing my face, you are highly welcome. Today I'll be talking about tonic. It's a tonic herb, if I may call it herb. Um, as you can see in my hand, this is called tonic. This tonic have a lot of medicinal benefits in our body. It can help for indigestions. People always have indigestions, and indigestions can cause a lot in their body. It will make someone not to have constipations as a result of indigestions. So it's good for people who are having diabetes or high blood pressure or um, skin rashes. You understand? So, and it's also good for people who are having cancer. It fights cancer in the body. It helps the your stomach, your bowel to flow easily. You see? So, but today, what I'm going to show you is how you can use this to prepare natural remedy for cough. Yes, natural remedy for cough. So it's very good. By the time we finish preparing it and you use it and you prepare it as well and use it in your house, you'll find out that it will help you to eliminate those cough symptoms. Yes, by God's grace. So join with me as I show you how you can use this tonic to prepare natural remedy for your cough. God bless you.
Yes, guys, I will start by cutting the turnip. I'll start by washing and peeling the back, the black spots on the turnip. I have washed it. I'm just removing the black spots. I don't usually like to peel off the peel in in some vegetables or even herbs, because sometimes the main nutrients or vitamins we need is always at the back. Yes. So now I've finished. I'm going to grate it in this small little eyes of the grater. I'll grate it until I finish grating it. Like I told you, this particular herb called turnip can assist you in so many issues pertaining your health. It's good for our bone. For people who are having bone problems like being anemic. When someone is anemic, the bone is always having the crisis. But intake of this will not allow you to have those bone problems because it will help in the bone. Yes. It also fights cancer. So it will regulate the body system actually. So now I've finished grating it. I'm going to pour it inside this glass bowl where I'll be mixing it together with this 100% pure natural honey. Yes, that is the recipe. When you have mixed it together with the honey, that is the recipe for the cough. That is the natural remedy for the cough. Mix it well. You can store it in the fridge. Yes. It's also good for children. You can give your child a teaspoon of this, just a teaspoon in the morning and a teaspoon at night. You, the adults, can use 1 tablespoon in the morning and 1 tablespoon in the night for the cough.
Our recipe is ready. How do you take this? 1 tablespoon morning and night. Like this.
As you can see, it's ready.
Will help to eliminate that cough symptom. So I'll come your way next time. Thank you for watching and keep looking up to Jesus. God bless you. Bye.